There is a very old and popular recipe that uses egg as the base for a hair care mask. It is well known for its nutritional, moisturizing, and strengthening benefits. Are we going to use a whole egg? Or just the yolk if you have very dry hair, or just the white if you have very oily hair. Beat it very well. It can be by hand or with a mixer until it is creamy and a lighter yellow. Egg is rich in proteins that strengthen the hair and prevent breakage. It contains vitamins A, 500 and E, which nourish the scalp and promote hair growth. The egg yolk is an excellent source of biotin, a vitamin that helps prevent hair loss. The lecithin present in the egg helps to hydrate and soften the hair. Let's now add a tablespoon of organic honey. Honey acts as a natural conditioner, leaving the hair soft, silky, and easy to manage. It will help to detangle the hair and reduce static. It is especially beneficial for dry, damaged, or frizzy hair. It also has antibacterial, antifungal properties, which can help in cleaning the scalp and keeping it healthy. We're also going to use a teaspoon of coconut oil. We can melt it so it's liquid. Coconut oil has a molecular structure that allows it to penetrate deeply into the hair fiber, nourishing it from the inside. And it's also an excellent moisturizer, which helps retain moisture in the hair, preventing dryness and frizz. It will also provide shine and softness. We beat very well and integrate all the ingredients. I would really like to know from which country you are writing to me and what has been your favorite video. We invite you to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment with the topic that you would be most interested in me sharing in the next video. If you don't have coconut oil or don't want to use this oil, you can use olive oil. It will have moisturizing properties. It will provide shine and softness. Then we transfer it to a container for our convenience. We can apply this mask with a brush or simply for more practicality with our hands. We completely cover our hair and then massage it for a while. We let it act for 20 to 30 minutes and wash as usual. It is recommended to do this treatment once or twice a week. Once this time has passed and we have washed our hair, we are going to comb our hair, arrange our hair as usual. And we are going to immediately feel the softness and body that our hair has obtained. The only care we must take is to rinse with warm or cold water, never hot, because otherwise the egg could cook. As you can see, it's very easy to make this mask, to apply it, and to get immediate results. Thank you.